Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. So today we are going to discuss assignment 4 9th class 9th September dated children. So let us come back to the model of this assignment. We have 5 MCQs in first Roman and 5 blanks in second Roman children. So come back and join with me. So this is first one of the first Roman. First one of the first Roman. The factor of a polynomial, one among the following. For example, let the given polynomial, let p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. So by factor theorem, if x minus 1 is a factor of this given polynomial, then 0 of the divisor is taken as the remainder for the given. So if you want to check, let x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. So verify p of 1 is equal to 0 or not. If p of 1 equal to 0, by factor theorem we can say x minus 1 is one of the factor for given. So let us verify. If p of 1 equal to 0, by factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor for that. Like that we need to check all the options. So right, p of 1 is equal to, so instead of x, wherever we have x, let us substitute 1 cube. So 1, this is 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 cube means 1 square means 1, minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So p of 1 equal to 0. So according to this explanation, by factor theorem, we can say x minus 1 is one of the factor. Actually, according to degree, it is third degree expression. So it has 3 factors for that. Out of 3, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. P of x means given polynomial expression. Okay children. So x minus 1 is there in the first option children. So again, our second question. From the first Roman is, the factor of x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 is one among the following. Same. Let p of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Okay children. So let us go for our trial and error. So take the first option. So first option, x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. Let us substitute, whether verify p of minus 2 is 0 or not. So minus 2 whole cube minus 4 into minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 plus 6. So this is minus 8. So minus 16 minus 2 plus 6. So this is minus 26 plus 6. Finally this is not equal to 0. So we cannot say x plus 2 is not a factor for given polynomial. So go to second option. So let x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So verify p of 2 value. Verify p of 2 value children. So 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 2 plus 6. So 2 cube value 8 minus 2 square means 4 are 16 plus 2 plus 6. So 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 minus 16 0. 16 minus 16, 0. As P of 2 got 0, so by factor theorem, okay, so x minus 2 is a factor for the given polynomial. So it is there in the second option, children. So generally we have a doubt, sir, here we have 4 options are there. So out of the 4 options means 4 trials. Okay, do we have any, how many trials and error methods are there? Do we have any confined limitation is there? So what is the constant, children? 6. What are the factors for 6? So 1, 2, 3, 6. So plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. Here 4 plus 4. 8 trial and error methods are, limitation is there. Okay, instead of thinking from unknown box, okay, there is a possibility box from the factors of the constant for the given polynomial is one of the method, children. So x minus 2 is one of the factor. It is there in the second option. Okay. So our third question from the first Roman is, what is the product of x plus 5 and x plus 3? What is the product of x plus 5 and x plus 3? Product of means, what is the symbol of product? Multiplication, into. So let us multiply the given 2 polynomial expressions or binomials. So as I told in the previous class, children, x is the first term into x plus 3 and second term in the first expression is also multiplied with the second term. So x times of x, x times of 3, 5 times of x, 5 times of 3. So this is x square plus 8x plus 15 is the product of given 2. So it is there in the fourth option, children. It is there in the fourth option. Okay. So this is the product of first given 2. And come back to fourth question, children. So our fourth question is, factors of 9x square minus 25 are, factors of 9x square minus 25 are. So generally this is 9x square minus 25, children. So if you are taking 9 and x as square and 25 can be expressed as 5 square. So 3x is A and 5 is B. So by considering in such a way, 3x is A and 5 is B. Okay. So this is A plus B into A minus B is the factorization, children. So this is 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5 are the factorization. So 3x plus 5 is one of the factor, 3x minus 5 is one of the factor. 3x minus 5 is there in the first option and also 3x plus 5 is also there in the second option. So if you observe the third option C, both A and B is given in the third option, children. So our answer for the fourth question is C option, third option. So our next question, question number 5. Factors of 4x square plus 9y square. Factors of 4x square plus 9y square plus 25z square plus minus 12xy, okay, minus 30yz, okay, plus 20zx, plus 20zx. Okay, so this is 4x square can be taken as 2x whole square. This is 3y whole square. This is 5z whole square children, and plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now this is a, b, c. Okay, a means 2x, b means 3y, and b means 3y, c means 5z, so again 5z, so a means 2x. So if you verify, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, okay, 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, okay, x into y, y into z, z into x. Now symbols, this is minus, but we have plus. So for 3y keep minus, plus into minus, minus. So for 3y minus, so plus into minus, minus. Here plus into plus, plus. So this is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The given expression is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is a plus b plus c whole square children. This is a plus b plus c whole square. So what is a? A means 2x plus what is b? 3y plus what is c? 5z. Okay children, whole square. So what are the factors here? Sorry, this is minus 3y. This is minus 3y. As b we consider as minus, this is minus 3y. So 2x minus 3y plus 5z whole square. So 2x minus 3y plus 5z whole square. So this is the first option, this factors for the given expression. It is there in the first option children. So come back to second Roman. Question number 6. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then what is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to how much? This is our next question children. So listen here, this is given that x plus y plus z is equal to 0, transpose plus z to right side minus z, then cubing on both sides, that means LHS and RHS should rise 3 times. So this is a plus b whole cube children. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to minus 3 times z 3 times. Now what is the value of x plus y? The value of x plus y in terms of z minus z. So this is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into, instead of x plus y you can take minus z, is equal to minus z cube. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus I transpose minus z cube to left side, plus into minus minus 3xyz is equal to 0. If you want x cube plus y cube plus z cube value, transpose minus 3xyz to right side. So what is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube children? 3xyz. It is 3xyz. Okay children, this is very very important. So question number question number 7. Question number 7 is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 9, if a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26, ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26, then the value of a square plus b square plus c square is how much? Then the value of a square plus b square plus c square is how much? So then a square plus b square plus c square is equal to how much? So given that A plus B plus C is equal to how much they given, children? 9. Okay. Now squaring on both sides. That means A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 9 square. Just now we discussed in our previous question. What is the formula for this? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to 9 square means 81. So A square plus B square plus C square plus, if you common 2, then this is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 81, children. Now, so A square plus B square plus C square value is required. So A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA value is given as 26 is equal to 81. So A square plus B square plus C square is plus 52 to 26, 2 times of 56. Now A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 81 minus 52. So 81 minus 52 how much, children? 29. So A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 29. So this is the value from the given expressions, children. Okay, children. Our next question is question number 8 from the second Roman. Factors of 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square are. So given that 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. So children, let us see here. This is 4x whole square plus, we don't know, let it be just as it is, keep as it is. This is 3y whole square. Now this is A square, then this is 2AB, then this is B square. We can identify the extreme terms as the perfect squares. So this is A square and this is B square. So let us take A is here and B is here and try to multiply and verify whether the middle term is equal to this product or not. So 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, x into y, xy, children. So this is in the form of A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is A plus B whole square. So A is 4x plus B is 3y. So 4x plus 3y whole square. So what are the factors? 4x plus 3y comma 4x plus 3y. Repeated factors, equal factors. Okay, children. So this is the explanation for question number 8, children. Now come back to question number 9. Value of 998 whole cube is equal to dash. So 998 whole cube is equal to, subtract 2 from 1000, then it is in the form of A minus B whole cube, children. So this is A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square, children. So what is A? 1000. What is B? 2. What is A? 1000 into plus what is B? A 1000 B 2. So when 1000 3 times, 9 zeros, 1 2 3, 9 zeros, 3 3s are 2 cube means 8. Okay, minus 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1000 3 times means 6 zeros plus 3 4s are 12 into 1000, 12,000. So if you add these two, this is consisting 5 digits, children. So if you see the last 5 zeros, except the last 5 zeros, here 10,000 is there. So 10,000, then 12,000 when you add these two, and this is minus. So 6 after, how many zeros? Actually 6 zeros are there, so keep 5 zeros, then 8 when you add negative numbers and when add positive numbers. Now if you subtract 10 from 8, 2, then this is 9, this is 9, this is 1, so 4, then this is 1, then this is 0, this is 94. So this is the final result when 998 raised 3 times, children. Okay, so this is 9th question. So let us come back to 10th one of the second Roman, children. What is the 10th one? The dimensions of a cuboid if its volume is, what they given, 3x square minus 12x, 3x square minus 12x. Now children, try to factorize this. If you common 3x from this, out of the 2 times, if you common 1 time, still 1 is there. 12 cancelling 3 4 times, x already came out. So this is 1 unit, this is another unit, this is another unit. Generally volume of a cuboid formula is L into B into H. Therefore dimensions of given cuboid are what they are, 3x and x minus 4, 3x and x minus 4. So these are the dimensions of cuboid, children. Okay, so that's all for today's 9th class assignment. So